Let's begin.
We'll talk later. Hello, I'm your neighbor. My name's Oliver. I've been looking after this farm since your grandfather passed away.
Nice to meet you, Oliver. I appreciate your help. So this is my heritage?
Yes, this nice farm and piece of land are all yours now. Welcome to our little county.
Thanks. I don't know much about farming, but I'm a quick learner.
I'm sure you'll fit in just fine. We're all good folk living here, and we help each other out. Please follow me. I'll show you around.
Lead the way.
Come on.
Follow maybe? Oh. For some reason, I think I'm moving way too fast for this.
As you can see, the farm is quite in a poor shape. Few repairs have been done here.
Yes, I see that.
Here's your house. The roof needs work, but you can have some sleep here, perhaps, or even store some food. You will have to bring this farm to a good shape yourself. Soon you'll see how to do it. Follow me. Here's the garage for your vehicles. It's empty now, but I'm sure you'll need it pretty soon. Your grandpa didn't finish the upper floor, but if you can afford building materials, then you can fix the construction yourself. This is your barn, empty for now, but you can use it to store hay for your animals. Just fix these holes first, or everything will get wet and rot. Your grandfather's old animals have all been sold. You will have to buy your own. The cowshed is old and needs some work, but it's still solid. You can do the fixes and upgrades yourself. Try fixing those holes first, so your animals stay healthy. I see you've come prepared and have your own tools. Good. Try to fix these doors since it's stuck and won't open.
Let's see. Oh, okay. Well. Hey now. Ah.
All right. It should open now. Come on.
Yay. It said nail that right there on the nail gun.
Build a scaffold to climb up there and check the roof.
Work menu. Engineer's site. Oh, okay. Um, there we go. Nice. Let's put this back in our hands. Without falling off. Okay, we are on the roof.
How's it looking up there? Come back down when you're done. We need to go. Follow me.
Okay, well, since he's walking away. Come back down when you're done. Follow me, walking away.
You can store harvested grains in the silo, so you can use these later, or sell them if you want. Before you use the silo, remember to fix it first.
Well, yeah.
Take a look at the greenhouse. You can grow some veggies here fast to earn some quick money. Still, you'll have to fix these holes so your plants can grow to a best effect. I see your grandfather bought some materials to fix it already. You can use it to rebuild the greenhouse as good as you can.
Okay, well.
You were pretty good at this. I'm sure you'll do well on this farm. Actually, I might have a job for you myself.
What is it?
Why don't you come to my place and do some fixes to my barn? It's mostly roof that needs work, but some walls need attention too. I don't have much money, but I'll give you my old tractor as a reward. I'm sure you can use it.
Sounds good. I'll take care of this.
All right. I'm going back home now. Good luck, and see you around.
Okay, okay, cool. We saving the game apparently. Anyways, welcome to Farmer's Dynasty. It is in a real, oh yeah, 431 meters, and he's going to walk all the way home. Okay, suit yourself. But anyways, we do have repairs to do to the greenhouse, the silo, the barns, and our house. Okay. Alright, we just received a reward of 3,000 social points because we finished our greenhouse here. And let's jump down. Let me see. Well, first, yep, kind of figured I'd put some back here. Nice. Oops. Alright, let's eat another apple, I guess. But I do know at some point we're gonna need to get more food. 3,000 social points for fixing our greenhouse here. And as far as money goes, oops, we have 4,000 social points now, and 520 euros. So now I think we have a minute to do over what go over to Oliver's. And okay, so maybe he didn't live that far away. Alright, let's yeah, I don't think I need to talk to him because I've pretty much already did. So let's build it. Okay, cool. Where's my ladder? I need to get up. There. Oops. I think this is wood and not metal, but let's go for it. Barn fixed. Talk to Oliver and ask for your reward. With pleasure. Could have sworn he only said the roof.
Looking good and solid. Thank you. Now, I don't have much money, but as promised, that old Jack Bear over there is all yours. It should do well until you can afford a real new tractor, but you can totally start field work now.
Yep, my funds are kind of short, but I think I'll need more farming machines.
You should talk to people. I'm sure a lot of them will have some work for you too. You'll need a plow, a seeder perhaps, and I've seen a cultivator already on your farm. Good luck with farming.
I will look around. Thank you.
And this is our new tractor. Autosave. Just trying to oh. Wow, nothing like getting a face full of smoke, huh? really need to have your brakes looked at there. Well, that's the gist of it. We have some work to do around our place. We can go and talk. We can go around and talk to people. Things like that. Just don't remember what this is for. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe like your home icon, like on GPS or something, but excuse me, that was your so yeah, we have a lot of work to do here on our farm. Like I said, most of it will be done off camera, but maybe next time we could probably tackle that silo next time, because that's not all that. It's just mainly around the bottom. Maybe fix up a few small things, then go and then maybe go and talk to some of the locals. Local fishing hole down there, and then see what we can do in the next episode. So yeah, yes, a lot needs to be done. So well, thank you for venturing this far with me in this first episode of Farmer's Dynasty, or as some of you may pronounce it, Dynasty or something like that, if I remember correctly. But yes, thank you for being this far on the adventure with me so far. Hopefully many more videos to come. Actually, I would like to take this series as far as I can take it. But as always, it depends on you, the viewers. If you like me to continue, you know, I'll see the views rise. If not, you know, if they mediocre, comparable to other videos I put up, then yeah, I'll continue. But I'm sure if you guys don't like this series, you'll let me know, and please do. But yes, I shall catch you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. I'm out. Peace.